Guys, so it is Friday today. Today's the 20th, and we're here at Ulta. And let me say, there's a lot of stuff, but they took their time destroying this stuff. Do a Meek Mill today and take the L. Take a big L for today as well. Oh snap, I just made a rhyme. Take a big L for today as well. Hey guys, how's it going? So I just got here to the Ulta. Right now I'm behind the dumpster. There's somebody came out. They're leaving right now. They're in their car. I'm covering the flash. I saw a couple things in there. A couple tubes. They say tester on them, and there's a square in there. There's a square with a mirror on it. It looks like might be a pallet of some kind of pallet. So I'm gonna wait until the car leaves, and then I'm gonna go in there and see, check out what is in there.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one.
just a quick review on the stuff that we got. This is the Laura Geller Glam On Go, and that is the one solar system that's good shape. This other one is another Laura Geller, and this is another solar system with a couple of planets that got hit by asteroids. They're pretty broken. This is that Urban Decay lipstick thing. You can see some of them are used. This is the other Urban Decay solar system planets that that one's in perfect condition. This one is the Ultimate Basics, and this one is pretty good shape except for that black one. Seems like everybody likes that black one. And this one is actually also in pretty good condition. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's that. And then the dryers that we got, they cut the cords because they use them for display, but they can easily be fixed. This one is really nice. I like this one. I want to keep it for myself, but I got no hair to blow dry, so. And then there's this one that the wife said is for the blowouts, for the blowouts. So she thinks. So if you know, let us know. These other little things are all the little lip things, different colors, Urban Decays. I don't really want to pick them all up. There's a lot of them, little tiny ones, and then the hair dryer accessories. We got to see if they fit. They might not fit. Let's try it out. Doesn't fit that one. Doesn't fit that one. So that one's probably garbage, unless it fits one of the other ones that we have already. But yeah, the cables are right there. There's 3 cables. As you can see, there's like the 3 connectors there. I was telling my wife that it's pretty nice that they save them to throw it away together with the blow dryers and stuff. That's nice of them, even though they don't know it. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we can get some more stuff later in the week. So today is Tuesday. Today's the 24th, and this is all week. All I got today. I'm by myself. Nobody there. But all it is it's just 2 little rolls of bobby pins. Crap load of bobby pins. I put them in the bag because they got stuff on them. You can probably see the little bubbles there. It's like shampoo or something that was there, and I didn't want to put them in my pocket just like that. So that's all we got for today. So that's it. I don't know if you can see, but it's like snowy, rainy right now. But we're out here trying to get our gains on. We already went actually, and we're on our way back home. We found a little bit of stuff. Well, first we found. Let me see. Show them the treasure. We got Bare Minerals powder thingies, and then a bunch of little tiny squares of some stuff. Not sure what it is. And in there, I don't know if you can see it, probably can't, but we found some lipsticks, some Urban Decay lipsticks. We couldn't find the caps though, so we'll see what she does for the caps, because I don't know. But yeah, just to show you that rain or shine, you gotta go, you gotta go get it. I don't know if you can see. Let's see if you can see in the light. Yeah, you can see that right there. There's some snow with some with wetness. Hey, look at we got a little. So yeah, gonna go get some milk, Mariano's. So we'll see you guys back at home. So here is the little bit that we found today. I'm not sure what brand all these little things are. I don't know what the design is, what brand they are, but the white says they're eyeshadows. I don't know if that's the same. We got a bunch of different herbs and spices over here. All these powders for the magic potions. And these are all bare mineral brands. And yeah, we got those, and then these lipsticks over here that have no cap. Those you can see are the Urban Decay ones, and I'm not sure how do they go bad if they don't have caps. So they should be good without caps for a while, maybe. So yeah, that's it for today.
That's all, folks.